The US dollar has moved higher in some of the major currency pairs over the last few minutes of trading, but did find support against a similar technical level. I'll go through 3 different currency pairs that did the same thing in this video, so let's get started. I'm going to start by taking a look at the hourly chart of the euro versus US dollar, and you see the decline that we saw over the last few minutes of trading. The price came down to test its 100-hour moving average at 1.17148. Found support buyers against that level, bounced back up to 1.17327. Traders leaned against that 100-hour moving average as risk to be defined, limited against the level, and the price moved higher. Taking a look at the sterling versus US dollar, same hourly chart. I'll take it out of this zoom level here, and as you can see, the price also moved to a new session low, and the process came down to test its 100-hour moving average earlier in the day. The price also based against that level in the Asian Pacific session. That level comes in at 1.34134. Buyers leaned against that level. The price is pushed back higher. We currently trade at 1.34382. This hold right here increases the level's importance, and so be aware of that, and defines a risk for buyers buying on the dip. If the price moves below, then get out. If the price stays above, then the upside would be the 200-hour moving average. Finally, I want to take a look at the New Zealand versus US dollar. Again, I'll look at the hourly chart here, take a closer look at it here. And as you can see, the price moved down to not a new low for the day, but down and found support buyers against the 100-hour moving average. Earlier in the European morning session, the price also found support. That level comes in at 0.57877. As long as the price remains above that level, the buyers can still be in play and hope for a move back to the upside. The 50% of the I have to go to the 4-hour chart. 50% of this move up from the April low to the high price that we saw in June is at 0.58017. That level was also tested way back here. So getting above that level and staying above that level would now increase the bullish bias for the New Zealand versus US dollar. So 3 separate currency pairs, 3 separate shows where the price tested a moving average level and saw a bounce back to the upside. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye-bye now.